Hello friends, today we have come with the new video in which we will going to deal with construction of a quadrilateral. So let us begin. In a quadrilateral MORE, MO length of MO is 5.8 centimeter. So before we move further, let us make rough diagram. So first we have drawn MO freehand, which is 5.8 centimeter, and then they have given length QOR equals to 4.4 centimeter. So OR 4.4 centimeter. Then they have given angle M equals to 58. So we have drawn angle M as 58 with the help of protractor for a rough diagram, just approximately, and we have named it as E. So we got E also. So we have joined them. We have got our rough diagram as MORE. The sides I had put it. Let us put the angles given to you. So angle M and angle O, and see here one more angle is given, angle R is given to you 90 degree. So all the information what is given to you in a question is put in the rough diagram. Rough diagram should be drawn with the help of ruler and little bigger so that the all information can be put in the quadrilateral. Now let us begin to draw a fair diagram. For that we will going to draw a line. So first we have drawn a line. Now on this line I have to fix a distance of MO, the segment MO. For that you can either use ruler or you can use compass. So I will use rounder, and in that I will take radius as 5.8 centimeter, because the base length of a quadrilateral is MO. So after fixing the 5.8 centimeter radius, I will keep the pointer of a rounder on the drawn line in such a way that I can draw arc on the same line. See here, we got the arc. Now you can put the pointer on a line and the arc intersecting point and cut arc on the other side on the line. See here. So these 2 points, we are getting these 2 points which will be MO. So I have indicated with the red segment, which will help you to understand that this is the segment what we wanted on line. Then we will name them as MO, and we can write down there 5.8 centimeter. My dear friend, you have seen that in quadrilateral we require 4 alphabet, out of which we have got 2 alphabet, that is 2 vertices, we have already got it. Now I need to get it E and R point. For that I will draw first with the help of protractor angle. So I will going to draw angle O, because angle O they have given the measurement and the distance of point R is also given. So let us begin. I will keep the protractor's pointer at point O and draw 108 degree. Now the counting will start from the point M. From the point M side on a protractor you will going to start counting from 0, not from 180. From 0 when you will start counting, you will go to 108 and then you will draw the ray. You got the ray. Now you need 4.4 centimeter, because point R is 4.4 centimeter away. So you will take radius as 4.4 centimeter in your rounder, and from O as a center you will draw an arc on that ray. See here. So we got point R. Clear? So your third point you got it. So you can write down OR as 4.4 centimeter. Now the problem is how to get point E. Now point E is having 90 degree from point R and 58 degree from point M. Those two rays are intersecting at point E. Therefore, we will draw 58 degree angle at point M. Again we have to take the help of protractor. Protractor vertex center point we will keep it at point M. And from O side, you can see on ray O, from O side you are going to start counting from 0 and see where 58 point is. Put the point there and draw the arc. You can see that the ray at point M is drawn, but can you fix up a point E? No. For that what you needed? At point R you need to draw 90 degree angle. So what you will do? You will lift your protractor from point M and keep it at point R. Again, my dear friends, very carefully listen. From O side start counting on the protractor. From O side start counting on the protractor and go till 90 degree, because your angle is ORE, and then you draw the ray. That ray will intersect the previous ray of angle 58 at one point, and that point is known as point E. Clear? So this is the way we complete our construction. I hope you have understood, and the steps you will follow as I had followed in the video, and you will able to get it, and such sums you will able to complete it. Clear? See you next time with the new video, and please share this with your friends. Bye. See you.